In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Bluetooth device from Windows computer. So come down to the taskbar, and if you can find this show hidden icon, click on this and you should see Bluetooth. If you can't find Bluetooth, you can try turning on Bluetooth. And to do that, you can always click on your indicators and you should see Bluetooth in this section. To go to the Bluetooth settings, you can right click for more options and you'll see go to settings. This will take you to your Bluetooth settings. Here you'll find all the devices that are connected. Additionally, you can also get here by clicking on the show hidden icon and you'll see Bluetooth. Now right click on Bluetooth for more options and you'll see show Bluetooth devices. Click on this and this will bring you here. Under audio, you see all the audio devices you've connected, and here you see all devices that are connected. To remove a Bluetooth device, click on the three dots beside the device name and click on remove device. Click on yes and the Bluetooth device will be removed. You can always reconnect back any device you have removed. So thank you for watching this video on how to remove Bluetooth device from Windows computer, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.